Good evening. Hello. Well, it's time for another unboxing. And this time we have Glossybox. What do you think? Huh? Let's see what's in the box. Are you excited? Okay, so inside the box we have in a ribbon, we got the usual card, the ribbon. Now let's see what's inside the box. We got our card. It tells us what's in there, but we don't want to look because we want to find out. So inside, it's wrapped up real pretty. Let's see what we've got. Okay. Ooh. Inside the box. Okay. Ooh. Another eye mask. I like eye masks because my eyes are really my biggest problem area. 24 karat gold hydrogel eye patches. Ooh, gold. Golden eye patches. What do you think? Okay, that's not bad. All right. And I do like that. All right, what else have we got? Uh-oh, something opened in here. Woo. We got something open. Good thing it's not a... Good thing it wasn't a liquid. And that is Clean It Zero. It's called Clean It Zero. You see that? There we go. Okay. And that is Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Pore Clarifying. Great. Sherbet-like balm, which it sort of is, and since it came already opened, kind of sherbet-like. Oh, it'll take off even the toughest waterproof makeup. No, without stripping or drying out your skin. That sounds nice. I like that. I'll have to try that one tonight. Definitely. So the next thing in the box we have, looks like a box. It is KAB. Let's see, what have we got here? Oh, it's a lip gloss. It smells peachy. Let's see. Sugar and Spice Gloss. It's a lip gloss. Sugar and Spice Lip Gloss. Interesting. What else? What's this here? Ultra Repair Cream. Ultra Repair Cream. Intense hydration for dry patch skin. Oh boy, perfect. My skin's always cracking. It gets so dry. Of course, now the spring's going to be coming. It won't be so bad, but that's always something good to have around. Especially when you work with horses, when you're around horses like I am all day. It's good to have stuff like this around. So that's cool. I like that. Let's see what else we got here. ESPA Eucalyptus and Tea Tree Cleansing Hand Spray. There you go. That's good for those of us living in a pandemic. Cleansing hand spray. That's interesting. Let me see. Let me try it out. Ooh. Yeah, you can smell that it's cleansing, but I like it. It dries very, very quickly. It's nice. Probably don't even have to rub your hands together. I like that. Let's see. On the card it says, I'm going to read about it. An absolute essential. can still be pretty and pleasant to use. This quick drying, I can attest to that. That dried so fast. I like that. This is going with me in my car, and I'm keeping it with me. Okay, infused with luxurious blend of pure essential oils, 60% alcohol content, antibacterial cleanser. Well, hey, that's pretty darn good. That's something I always need. I'm always running out of hand sanitizers and sprays. I don't know about you, but I do. And last but not least, actually it's kind of least, it's just a little tiny thing, Vinoperfect. Let's see, Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting. Well, now that looks interesting. I'll have to give that a try. These darn lights. It's alright. But that's what it says there. And on the, now we can read this. It says, Vinoperfect Radiant Serum. Both effective and natural, this best-selling skin tone evening serum works to reduce the appearance of dark spots, including pregnancy marks, acne marks, and sun pigmentation. Its patented key ingredients, 62 times more effective than vitamin C at boosting radiance. We'll give that a try. Let's open it. I gotta open it and put it on the back of my hand here. I have to sniff everything. That's nice. Think my hand looks younger. And that's all that's in tonight's Glossybox. But we got some good stuff here to work with. I think of all, I got two favorites. The mask, the eye mask, because I love eye masks, and the Zero, because I'm going to try this tonight. Those are my two favorites. Oh, and of course the repair cream from, so I'm always getting cracks in my skin. So that's that for this Glossybox for March. It comes in a pretty pink box that I reuse the boxes for makeup. That's nice. And anyways, well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I will give all the information below in the description so that you can check it out for yourself. Well, have a good evening. Stay beautiful.